What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. Today I'm with my brother, he's gonna help me do pretty crazy experiment, watermelon experiment.
What's up guys?
Pick it up, let's see. So what we're gonna do, slow-mo guys did this trick. If you know who it is, stop it. We're gonna pull a whole bunch of rubber bands on top of it, one at a time, and it's supposedly supposed to break in half. So we're gonna test it and see if it's actually work or it's a fake.
Let's try it.
So what we're gonna do is grab rubber band one at a time and grab it, like let's pull them out, whole bunch. And what we're gonna do is grab it like that. And put it like right in the middle.
Okay.
Make sure you have safety.
Is it
on.
middle?
And we're gonna keep doing it.
Oh.
Somewhere about the middle.
Okay, I see the
Smooth.
it's flexing a little bit, yeah. I see the biceps.
You make sure you tip it.
What do you mean blow up? I thought it cuts in half.
It does.
Okay. I freaked out again. What do you mean blow up? I thought it cuts in half.
It does.
Okay. I freaked out again. Что ты
Не
отпускаешь?
трогай сверху.
Окей, только ты его не резко
По одной,
отпускай,
по
он
одной,
падает, да?
по одной.
Ты его не резко
По
отпускай,
одной,
он
по
падает,
одной,
да?
по одной. Yeah, look! Perfect cuff! Perfect cuff! Помнишь, как мы дома делали?
This is good meal.
For those people, we're not gonna waste it, don't worry. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Check out our channel, Slow Mo Lab, me and my brother. You must check it out and subscribe, links in description. If you wanna see stupid slow motion videos like that,
We do kind of fun things
Yeah.
over there, so
just like that, but with the slow motion. So we might do this again, but in slow motion. So check it out, subscribe, and let us know what you think, comments below. And we'll see you next time.
we'll see ya.
And boom. But you know, let's see it again. So all you have to do is grab it by this thing all the way inside and put your elbow down this way, and you just like go that way and drop your shot.